Hey guys, it's Cookie here. I've got the Lego City set 60117 van and Caravan, and we're gonna go out and have a go in the woods. So let's get this open. Oh, wait. Back here we have these lovely scenes of people being out in the woods. You can see the city in the background and the living space. This opens, the Caravan opens, which is really cool. I'm grilling some hot dogs and then I guess they're going home. So let's get it open. So this build comes with 3 bags. Here's the sticker sheet and 2 instruction books. So let's get started. This will be a time lapse. Okay, now it's time to open bag 3 and get ready for the van. So this is the completed set. I've gone ahead and opened the Caravan, and then you can see there's a sleeping area and a little coffee maker. It's really cool. The car looks excellent, the van, and the people are just hanging out here enjoying their barbecue. I really like all the detailing in the people and the detailing in the fire pit. You can see the little orange studs in there that are supposed to replicate fire. The van is pretty good. I'm not sure how well you can seat more than 2 people in there. There is a little, remove this, there's a little seat here, so that might be okay for more Lego figures. But definitely the driver, that one's okay. I really like the coffee maker detail in this one. It's really fantastic. The sleep area is okay. I mean, you obviously don't need your minifigures to do a lot of sleeping if they're on vacation. But it's a really cool build overall. I really enjoyed making it. and the details are pretty good, and I really liked that about it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!